Good morning everyone, it is 9 AM so I'm going to keep this intro really short and sweet. I'm so tired this morning, but I'm here today with my little study buddy. That's what we're calling you, right? Yeah. This is kind of the last day of the school summer holidays and she's chosen to spend it with me. No. I feel sorry for myself to be honest, but lucky you, eh? She has like some homework to do. Talk about leaving it to the last minute. I just have work to do because it's a Monday morning. It's a Monday morning. If you annoy me, that means my whole week is like ruined. And vice versa. But yeah, so I just thought I'd vlog today. Somebody like left me a comment or like DM'd me saying they want to see more vlogs from me, but they want to see more like at home vlogs, and I haven't actually vlogged for about a month because I feel like my life has just been a bit boring. So I thought I'd do like an at home just one day vlog today, and you'll probably be looking at my face with no makeup on. She has quite a lot of work to do, like I said. I have work to do, and we're gonna try and film a video like before she leaves, but realistically I don't think that's going to happen today because I've started filming my Halloween content already. If you follow me on Instagram you will have seen that, but I've only done like 4 videos and I want to try and do like 28. So I made a start a few weeks ago and they take me forever to like film, edit and all that sort of stuff. So we have an idea which involves, are you having a teddy bear? Yeah. We found that teddy in my grand's garage. It used to be hers actually when she was younger, and I have an idea that I need that teddy bear for. But yeah, so first things first, I've just had coffee. Like I can't even speak, it's so early, oh my god. We've just had coffee and I think you promised to make me French toast, didn't you?
I did indeed.
She did. Are you gonna do it on camera?
Yeah.
Woo! Let's do it! Okay, so we've got loads of raspberries. I'm gonna make overnight oats while you do the French toast, I think. Just because I'd like to make it for me and Jess, like in breakfast. Eggs, bread, milk. This is what I normally make my overnight oats in, so I make a ton of them. And what else do you need?
Fork and
yeah.
A bowl.
Okay.
This bowl, yeah, this is the bowl for raspberries. Cool.
That looks so good.
The maple syrup though.
Yum! Oh, maple syrup?
Mm-hmm. You never have too much maple syrup.
You really can't. Breakfast is served. Oh mate, this looks so good. Cheers, love.
Cheers. I would like cheers. You would like
Yeah, we didn't think about the drink situation, did we?
No, we already have coffee.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, I look a little bit different to the last time you saw me. I've just done my makeup, changed my top and put on a blue lipstick because Mini-Me wants to take some photos of me for her like art GCSE coursework, and we've gone with a blue lip for the first one, she's take 3, a green for the second, or maybe 4, and black for the third. I could do a purple lip for the 4th. Yeah, so ta-da! Oh, by the way, oh my god, can I just show them? Oh, 1 second. Alexa, stop. Okay, sorry, music was really loud. It's like I have a pet or a child. What is she saying?
I don't know, she's probably saying thank you for listening.
Yeah, probably. This girl has to do photography as part of her art GCSE. Like, this is not something that I obviously ever did, but that's so cool. And like, you use Photoshop, don't you?
Yeah. Like the reels, like
amazing.
Adobe CS3 Photoshop thing.
I've always wanted to know how to like use it, so she's gonna give me a crash course. I'm not paying for Photoshop though, but how cool is that? Like, that's such a useful skill to have, I think.
It is, it really is.
So she told me yesterday when I saw her that she had to draw pictures of like loads of different people, and she had a photo of me. She said, you're not gonna like it, it's really unflattering, but she's drawn a picture of me. And I was like, oh okay. And in my head, like, I was thinking it's not gonna be that good because it's really hard to draw people. Okay, she's brought it around with her today and I'm so impressed. You don't understand. Okay,
right, are we ready?
Yeah, show them the actual photo first.
So this is the actual photo that I took on
so grumpy. No
Nishi
makeup
without
as well.
coffee.
Yeah, Nishi without a coffee.
Yeah. And then this was the photo that I drew of her.
Oh my god, like can you guys just look at this? How good is that?
Let me put my brightness up so they can see it.
That is amazing. Like you're so good at this. Damn. I'm just so impressed. I can't even. I love how you even got like the table and the
Yeah.
shelving unit. Oh, the flowers.
Yeah,
Like that's just
Hot.
up there. That's so cool. Oh, I love it. And the sofas, like the lines on the sofas. Oh, that's amazing. So good. Well done, Mini Me.
Well, you're the one who helped me got the scholarship.
She drew my gran. There's a photo of my gran outside in the garden. Just look at that. Oh my god, so good. I just can't. Oh my god, there's my granddad. Look at that. The attention to detail on this is absolutely insane. That is so good. Is there like anything that you're bad at? Seriously. Like you're so good at everything. What the hell? Stop making us look bad. Okay, so this is her mum and I feel like this is one of the best ones.
Really?
Yeah, I feel like it really looks like your mum.
Yeah, it really does, doesn't it?
It's such a good, like, it's just so good, I can't even. This is your dad.
Yeah.
How are you so talented? Like, I used to be good at art, but I was never this good. Like, I really wasn't. I can't draw people to save my life. And the last one is my mum.
But yeah.
That's really good as well.
Yeah.
I said to her that she needs to be that person that, like, sits at, is it Trafalgar Square?
Yeah.
Piccadilly
Square,
Circus.
somewhere.
Yeah, on the streets, just doing caricatures of people.
Yeah.
So good.
I should.
Do it. And I'll come with you. I'll come help you.
Yeah, exactly.
And basically we'll just sit there
Yeah,
and people watch. And when you're old enough we'll go clubbing. Yeah?
Well, shall I do that?
I'll relive my youth. You can just start your youth. Good times. Let's get these photos taken. I think I may have found my new Instagram photographer. This one! She was really good. Like, that photo shoot was a success, I think.
It was.
In fact, can I take the photos that you took on your camera and put them onto my laptop? Where are you? No, there. Because I might actually post them on Instagram.
Oh,
I know! Do that again? She's now doing her homework like a good little girl, and I'm gonna go and edit, I think. So yeah, it's a really fun day. Like, best Monday I've had in a very long time, and it's actually been really productive as well, so I can't complain. Let's just take this off. I hate wearing a bold lip in the house. Lunch is served. I just made a mac and cheese burger that I randomly found in Asda actually. It's just in a brioche bun. There we go. A side salad. We have coleslaw and cheese if we want it. So yeah. Yes! I got changed again. We did some work. Lunch was great, very filling. We were in a food coma. Anusha's still here. And now Serena's here. She like goes to school not very far from where I live. So she just walked down and we're just having like basically loads of crap to eat and coffee.
Crap.
As you do. But we're helping Anusha with her art homework. Like these are just amazing. So good. So talented.
So how can I improve
You can't really. Right, so now I'm making dinner. I feel like this has just been like a what I eat in a day video. But I'm making veggie duck, Peking duck, Hoisin duck pancakes. So I've got 2 of these Linda McCartney vegetarian shredded Hoisin duck packets. Last time I made this I followed a recipe on YouTube and I feel like it had a bit too much Chinese 5 spice in it. So this time around I've cooked it according to the instructions on the back, which is basically just to stir fry it. So I hope it tastes alright. And I've got my bamboo steamer which I'm going to steam my little pancakes in. I've already shredded the cucumber. I'm going to do the spring onions next. And yeah, there we go. So these are the pancakes. Let me just put the lid on. and I made about 20, but I've got loads more in the freezer. Spring onion, cucumber. I can never, like, I don't have the patience to finely chop it. That's the best I can do. The veggie duck, and oh, this is amazing, sweet hoisin sauce. These two are eating. Hi JASS, he's back. Hi Serena. Me and Nisha are gonna eat later because she's still working and we're just not hungry. How was dinner, Nisha?
It was really good.
Dinner was really good. Serena has left. You're still here. Oh my god, what time is it? It's like 8 o'clock.
So
you've been here for 12 hours. What the hell? Like, I said to her dad earlier when he came to pick Serena up, I was like, she's just moving in. Like,
I just am, like, slowly.
Like, it all starts with a toothbrush.
Exactly.
How do I get rid of her, guys? Seriously? Like, I don't know what to do.
Don't make me nice
I feel like she's just never gonna leave. She's like the boyfriend that slowly moves in. First he wants a drawer, then he like brings a suitcase, pajamas. Like, the boyfriend you just want to get rid of, but you can't. Anyway.
That was such a sidetrack.
That really was. Anyway, so she's been working like all evening actually, so I was like, you need to take a break. So now we're doing karaoke. If you follow me on Instagram, last weekend my friend Hetz got me a belated birthday present. It wasn't like a present he bought for me, let's keep this real. We know that he just found it in his house and it's like, yeah, it's really old. It's just like a little like karaoke, like a little cheapy karaoke like plastic microphone thing, but we don't care about the quality. We're all about that karaoke life.
Exactly.
So we're now doing some Beyonce.
Yeah.
We've got like a really weird setup because we haven't got the right wires to hook it up to our TV. So we have to use like a Bluetooth speaker and then hook that up to the. It's just weird.
But it's innovative.
It is. It works, and that's all we care about. So it's karaoke time. Are you excited, Jess?
Yes.
I bet Jess hates it when we sing because we do this in the car, we do this in the house.
We just everywhere.
We just went to Sync Bar at Christmas, we did it, like we just, yeah, we love karaoke. Yeah. Even when I lose, I'm winning, cause I give you all of me.
Give me all. That's what I meant.
I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own.
This is our wedding song, Jazz.
Sing it, what's that?
Amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark.
It's just so our song.
There with
The guys and chase after girls. Let me slide down.
I kick it with who I wanted, and I never get confronted for it, cause they stick up for me. If I were a boy, I think I could understand how it feels to love a girl. I swear I'd be a better man.
I totes would. To say.
I listen to her.
I love this song, it makes me so sad. I love it. I'm so sad. I just bloody sing.
I thought you were like someone dying or something.
Your voice is always loud. There are sirens all around, and the streets of me.
Well, the sound effects.
I can make it here, I can make it anywhere, that's what they say.
You have no idea who Mariah is.
Oh no, I know Mariah Carey. She's the one who sang All I Want for Christmas, isn't she?
Yeah! That's the only reason she knows her.
Yeah.
catch a break, and then
I know she got fat.
face.
That's what I know about her. And the
Diva.
on Nickelodeon.
And James Corden carpool karaoke.
She's
And
amazing.
she's a right diva.
She's amazing singer.
She's like the diva-est of divas.
Really?
And if you say that on Twitter and tag her or write her name, her fan army will come after you and send you death threats. It happens to like loads of bloggers.
Seriously?
Yeah. You can't say anything bad about her on Twitter because her fans are like absolutely crazy.
Shit.
Mariah Carey. This is a bit more age appropriate for you, Jessie J.
Okay, like that.
Alright.
Seems like everybody's got a prize.
I wonder how you sleep at night. When the sale comes first and the truth comes second, you stop for a minute and smile.
Why is everybody so serious?
You're so cute.
Serious. Got shades on the eyes and your heels so high. So high. Everybody look to the left.
Everybody look to the right.
Can you feel that?
We're playing with love tonight. It's all about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world thanks. Forget about the price tag. Buy all of the things I never had. I know, it really is. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine. I actually do. Smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. I don't know about the Queen. Oprah, yeah. Every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining lights. A different city every night. Oh, I swear. What when I'm a billionaire? I'll jump in front of a train for you. Would you do that, Jass? Jump on a butterfly. Yes, I would die for you, baby, but you won't do the same. I would go through all this pain, take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby, but you won't do the same. Yes! You tell it, girl! I would die for you, baby, but you won't do the same. Okay, I'm gonna end this vlog here because we're getting very carried away with the karaoke.
Yep.
We were supposed to leave about half an hour ago to drop this off home. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up.
And
actually, you do it.
Please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below.
Yay! Thanks for watching.